Oh, so you were still telling me yes.
Yeah. Okay, Bonga, Bonga.
Oh, yes.
As I've emphasized verbally and orally, I tend to intermigrate and interperambulate vicinities in
Yes.
close proximity.
Yeah.
Yeah, showing social character. Yeah, engaging with as vast and as diverse native and ethnic masses as possible.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You were telling me, manje, ukuthi, since the morning you haven't had anything edible. You're still within, you're still
Yeah,
the science behind it.
or bengithi like in common logic, if usayikhumbula physics of the human anatomy esikolweni,
Yes.
calcium vital for cardiovascular well-being. Calcium in common logic is
Yes.
Yeah, my princess.
Oh my God. So I'm your princess, right?
Yeah, but
Ngiyakuthanda yazi.
and so in Afrikaans, as wat in Afrikaans, sterkte, feels geluk en al die best op met belangrikste maat in die
my God,
Here
this guy.
se geheilige genade.
No.
You know why? We embrace diverse native and ethnic linguistic tongues verbally and orally.
Yes. Yes.
Ayo.
Oh, no, it's fine. I thought it was
Yeah.
the police.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bonga,
Yeah, bro.
besides contributing to you
Yeah.
with the device you are carrying, what else can I do for you?
Like currently, Dali, I'm in the process of writing a book. It's an oral autobiography of my life based on domestic and social circumstances. But sometimes, as a street dweller, we see some individuals banner these sensationalist perceptions. But for Nina, I am not defined by this color.
Oh my
Nor
God.
am I destined for such. Far more profound is what lies within than what the masses perceive visually.
True.
So, like, I'm in the process of saving. You understand? Yeah. So, around about by late November-ish, because next the birthday I'm in a couple of days.
When is your birthday?
The 4th.
The 4th of November. Oh, wow.
Yes.
Would you have a way of contact? Like, are you contactable in some way?
No, currently I'm wired.
Yes.
But as I've emphasized it by these intersections, what doesn't happen? La money Richmond Avenue.
Is it?
Yeah, money kitty lasi UJ.
I get in this.
Mama play look at the first gate in Jaffa University Road.
Yes.
Yeah, just ask for Bonga Bonga. I mean,
Bonga,
voila.
BONGA.
Yeah, so I'm not very hard to not.
What's your surname, Bonga?
Usithole uJobe uMondisi manje anomsebenzi engibheka to my face.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, you never saw my interview with Uncle Lego podcast
No,
on
I
YouTube?
haven't.
Or just go to
I only
YouTube.
I think I saw something on TikTok somewhere.
Okay.
And then when I saw you, I was like, oh my God, this guy. No,
So if you-
seriously,
yeah.
I really would want to impact your life in some way.
Yes.
You know?
Yeah.
Because
Because
think,
I am destined for.
no, you're
begging,
not.
You
You're
understand?
definitely not.
Song we have dreams and ambitions of which we wish to accomplish as
Yes.
individuals. You
Yes,
understand?
yes. No, we do.
Yeah.
What's your dream?
Mena, your freight, logistics, and couriering division is what I'm interested in venturing in within the corporate landscape.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Wow. You're so. Well, we're going to have a lot to discuss. So I'm thinking I'll just have an appointment with you. Then maybe we can go for lunch
Okay.
and sit down. Even if we just sit there at McDonald's, have a lunch, and then we can talk more. Okay. But I want to thank you for your time and thank you for allowing me to videoize you.
Videoizing.
No, I will. I'm going to videoize you.
Oh, you must tell me.
No, don't videoize me.
Why?
We pay for content.
Oh, you pay for content.
Yeah. Don't shoot.
How much?
Any much from your heart.
From the heart.
Yeah.
And your name? No, tell me your name. Uncle, you want?
Ngubonga. I mean, I do not need to redefine
Bonga.
myself. Eh?
Bonga.
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 Yeah.
Oh, so
Yeah.
you want something? What do you want to do with it?
I haven't had something edible for the day. About
Oh, you didn't
how domestic and social circumstances are, my lord.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, let's park here then. Bonga.
Yeah, but my lord.
So your name is Bonga, ne?
Yeah.
And you want something to eat.
In a sense, I do.
How much is that? Bonga?
It's a clip.
It's a clip.
Yeah, bro.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
How much is that?
That's 2 clips.
There's 2 clips.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You look slightly familiar. Eh?
Seriously?
Yeah. Ali boy, ne?
Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
How
Because
do you know me?
I'm always on the socials.
Is
So
it?
I'm trend virally on my social media platforms.
Seriously?
You never saw my content on the socials?
No, it's the
Oh,
first time.
serious? Okay.
Yeah, but I love helping people.
Oh,
obviously.
I understand.
Yeah, now you got-
Yeah, but no bad.
Yeah. Now you've got 4 clippers. There's more still coming. Now you've got
Okay.
5 clippers.
Yes.
Yeah. Bonga.
Yeah, put them there. Like,
There's
that's okay. Bonga, put them
Yeah,
there.
man. Song.
Yeah.
We are family, we are brothers.
Yeah,
Huh? We need to help.
I'm a profound believer in God's grace.
Is it?
Yeah, because I believe that our lives were Shapu kanjani?
There's more.
Kuhle ngoba you recognize the specimen.
There's more.
Yes. Yeah. All right, to this beautiful day. Yeah, man.
So,
Yeah.
there's more there. bro.
Okay.
Yeah, how do you feel right now? Huh?
Words could not define how unique His grace is, because
Yeah.
I believe that our He outsurpasses even our most broadest and vastest of thoughts.
Oh, yeah.
In common logic, muhle beyond any oral description. You understand, man?
Thank you so much.
That's what's up.
Alright.
So you must go to YouTube now and
Alright.
just type my name, Bonga.
Sure.
Ayoba ne.
Hola. Have a good one, Bonga.